What time is it? Moke msahha time ungha. It is 9 a.m. Moke dain school se. Takanya guru ready. What time is it? It is 9 a.m. Takitre theha. Who do you live with? Moke nung les po bai tong. I live with my parents. Moke I name mam pa bai pal se tongo. Take ayo guru ready. Who do you live with? I live with my parents. Take tre ha. Are you free tomorrow? Moke Khnaih nung slah ode. No, I'm not free tomorrow. Moke Khnaih le slah ya. Take ayo guru ready. Are you free tomorrow? No, I am not free tomorrow. Do you have any siblings? Nini kehasuh achairem de tong. Yes, I have 2 sisters and 1 brother. I name biknoi ake mpayong keha tongo. Take ayo guru ready. Do you have any siblings? Yes, I have 2 sisters and 1 brother. Is there an ATM nearby? Moke rosam o ATM de tong. I don't know. Moke anglesia. Takanya group ready. Is there an ATM nearby? I don't know. How many children do you have? Moke Nini lem sa khrouhsuh tong. I don't have any children. Moke I ni le kehapo msakroi. Takanya guru ready. How many children do you have? I do not have any children. Takite ha. Will you play football? Moke nung football thungnai de. No, I don't have time. Moke I ni le somoin kroi. Take ayo guru ready. Will you play football? No, I don't have time. Take ha. What is the date today? Moke Tini ni slatheh le msahha phi. Today is the 19th of July. Moke Tini le souh tal ni jisku ma. Takanya guru ready. What is the date today? Today is the 9th of July. Takitre ha. What would you like to drink? Moke nung nung mchu. Red tea. Moke chak souh. Takanya guru ready. What would you like to drink? Red tea. Ha. Are you feeling thirsty? Moke nung tui de kanng. Please give me a glass of water. Moke wain su ye tui glass the harikadi. Takanya guru ready. Are you feeling thirsty? Please give me a glass of water. Takitre ha. Have you had your dinner? Moke saroi ni mai chapai hade. Yes, I had. Moke chapai ha. Takanya guru ready. Have you had your dinner? Yes, I had. Takitre ha. Is there anyone at home? Moke Nouh kehasuh de tong. Yes, my parents are there. Moke I ni mam pa tongo. Takanya guru ready. Is there anyone at home? Yes, my parents are there. Take ha. Are you having fever? Moke nung long tung mi de. Yes, take me to hospital. Moke ang no hospital tunang di. Takanya guru ready. Are you having fever? Yes, take me to hospital. Tini ni snung lai malai ba su nong ha. Draw go theyao singke. like share subscribe ake bell icon on ready video ta phaima siau nai ni ba ye Khakchangha